I'm literally going like nowhere, but I'm still gonna do my makeup today. And I asked my IG and Snapchat for questions. I'm just gonna be answering them. And yeah, I'm gonna just do like some generic questions right now. But the juicy ones, like I asked my friends to, y'all went in. I think I need some lip balm. I'll be right back. Okay. So yeah, I asked my IG for questions to answer, just random questions, because I don't know, I feel like I didn't really introduce myself in my last video. So this wasn't a question, but my name is Devonna. I go by Vonna, but like I don't know, my friends call me like so many different things. This is a Morphe. I go by Vonna, Vonna Gal, which is like my channel name. People call me Dev, Big D, Baby D. Honestly, whatever rocks your boat. And I'm doing just like a natural, everyday look. I don't really wear makeup like that. I used to, but I don't know, like I guess being a dancer, like a dance major, that's also one of the questions. What's your major? I'm a dance major. I go to SUNY Purchase Conservatory of Dance, and yeah, my major is dance. But since being a dance major, it's just like I'm not about to wake up to apply makeup because I'm about to sweat it off anyway. But yeah, this is just like a very simple look that I do whenever I do want to wear makeup. How old are you? I'm 20. I just turned 20 like 3 months ago. Actually, it's on May 4th. What are your moon and rising sign? My moon is a Taurus. My rising is an Aquarius. My sun is also a Taurus. I have like 6 placements in Taurus, y'all. I have like 2 placements in Gemini and 1 in Sagittarius, but for the most part, your girl is definitely a Taurus. Those are pretty damn good. Should have laid out my makeup before I started this video. It's dirty, but y'all get the point. This is, I don't even know what brand this is. I got it from Target, but it's an eyebrow gel. It was eyebrow pencil, but I used all of it, but I still have the gel. So, of course, I'm still gonna use that. Period. Period. Yes, like, the brows are there, honey. They're there. Also, I've already like primed my face and moisturized it, so I'm just jumping right into foundation. I'm using Glossier and this NYX Total Control, because it's just hard to find a foundation with my exact skin tone. Was New York everything you expected coming from Mississippi? Yes and no. I don't know, I've been to New York summers prior to me moving to college in New York, so I kind of already knew, you know, a little bit about New York. But of course, like, there's stuff that I was like, whoa, like, as far as like perfecting my craft and like gaining connections and doing what I love, like, that's exactly what I came here for. So that's what I expected, and that's what I got. I must say, my favorite thing about New York that I didn't really think about coming in is like there's so many different cultures and so many different people from different backgrounds. Of course, I like knew that, like, if you have common sense, yeah, I guess you would know that New York is like a melting pot, but it's just not really, I don't know how to explain it. Where I'm from, Mississippi, like, I don't know, it's kind of not everyone's not the same, but like we do all come from, most of us come from like similar backgrounds. Overall though, I love New York. I'm so happy I'm here. I'm so excited to do more and get into the art industry. I found a lot more about myself than like I knew from graduating high school. I found other hidden talents that I've just kind of like suppressed over the years. Also, I'm using the same concealer I use on my brows, but I've gotten into modeling a little bit. I've tried to get back into like visual arts just a tad, not really as much as I probably should. Though I came here for dance, I'm finding that I'm much more than just a dancer. Okay, I don't always put blush on, but I'm feeling a little spicy today. But I'm just using Glossier. It's their Cloud Paint Seamless Cheek Color in Haze. Can you focus, please? It's in Haze, okay? Just know that, it's in Haze. Is there a style of dance you find dope and want to learn more about? I don't know, I find a lot of styles dope. Like, I used to be a competition dancer before I was like in the concert world, so that exposed me to a lot of different types of dance, and I like them all. Like, I used to do like tap, hip-hop, jazz, ballroom, like all that, and then, you know, concert world is more modern, and ballet. This is not dance. I know it's not dance, but I've been watching like a lot of ice skating. That takes so much like control and just, I don't know, it's really beautiful to watch how they execute those movements and tricks on ice. Like, kudos to you. If you ice skate, kudos to you. Should I do eyeliner? On a regular day, I really would not do eyeliner, but I haven't done eyeliner in a long time, so I'm just gonna do it because yellow. So it just depends on the season. Where is my eyeliner? Like, I just can't see it. Probably left it at home. If you can't tell, I'm in my dorm room. I went back to school. And y'all, traveling during COVID, oh my god, like, all I gotta say is our country does not care for us. Just make sure you take care of yourself. Make sure you got some Clorox wipes. Make sure you're wearing your mask. Cause the eyeliner was in my hand the whole. Just take care of yourself, so you know. That's all I gotta say. Look, y'all. Disclaimer: I'm not a makeup guru at all. I'm not Jackie Aina. Like, I just do what I gotta do. I ain't trying to be perfect, like, but I am gonna make sure that's even, because that's ghetto if it's not. What high school did you go to? I went to Mississippi School of the Arts. I was a dance major, and that was the best 2 years of my life. How did you start dancing? Okay, so I was active AF when I was younger, y'all. Like, I would be doing cartwheels in the living room, but I would always be doing these flips. Like, I would always be moving my body and just doing some crazy stuff. My mom was like, girl, I need to do something with you. So she was like, you want to start dance? And I was like, sure. And the rest is history. So yeah, that's how I started dance. I didn't get really serious about it until I was like 12 though. Once I was like competing solos and like actually seeing that I'm decent at it, I was like, oh my god, if I take this seriously, I might actually make it. It's the Fenty. Do I believe in second chances? You see, old vonnahhhh would give countless amount of chances, but new vonnahhhh, no. If you can't come correct, like, you can't be with me. And it's not even just like me being I don't know, like strict. I'm in a way it is. I realized I had to raise my standards and, you know, stop messing with guys that weren't treating me how I deserve to be treated. Sometimes I like to add it on the collarbone. This is the NYX dewy finish because we're going for a dewy look, so we're gonna need a dewy finish. Do you have a favorite ex? If so, what's their first initial and would I take him back? You know, I feel like this ex knows who he is and we're actually pretty good friends. Like, I think this is the only ex I would take back. But yes, I have a favorite ex. His first initial starts with a T. I forgot to put powder on. I'm over here like, why am I so greasy? Okay, you know what? Just, if you need powder, add powder, because your girl forgot. I need to get some lip gloss. No, I'm just gonna use this Carmex because I don't really want glossy lip. I just want like a moisturized look with a lined lip. So we're gonna use a lip balm. Who's your favorite poet? If you know me, Rena Biddy. I've been like, not obsessed with her, but her work is amazing and very inspiring. I love, I haven't read her books, but I love her spoken words. That's basically all I do for makeup. I'm gonna answer one more question, and that is, why did you start YouTube? Okay, if you know me, you know, like, I'm always on YouTube, y'all. Like, I would go to YouTube before I go to Hulu or Netflix. I don't know why. I just enjoy YouTube. I feel like a purpose in my life is to help people and to inform people and like make people's life easier. I've just grown as a person and I want to share that with people and I want to share my knowledge with people. And it's also fun. Like, I don't know, I'm doing it more so because it's fun and I get to help people, and that's something that I really love to do. But yeah, so this is the finished look. Cute, simple, short. If you want to see more content, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay. Huh? Tell her I'm gonna call her after this.